Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here in Phemex. First of all, you need to know that I'm using right here my demo trading account. So that is the reason why I can't find that much to buy. The only thing that I need to buy is Bitcoin. I can find that one. But if you go to live trading right here, you will have more options that you can buy. But right now we are interested in just Bitcoin. If you look right here to the symbol list, we can select right here Bitcoin. And then now we go to open market and fill in right here the size in USDT. Or if you click on it in Bitcoin, how much you want to buy. So decide for yourself what you want to do. I want to buy 100 USDT. Then the thing that we need to do right now is click here on open long, because that is a buy position. If you want to short, you can open short right there, that is sell. And then we click right here on confirm. And now if you can see, we are having a nice long position on Bitcoin. And that is how you can buy Bitcoin. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.